Ever wondered how sugar is made from stevia? It's a fascinating process that transforms a leafy green plant into a sweetener that's up to 300 times sweeter than table sugar. And the best part? It's all natural and calorie-free. Stevia rebaudiana, the plant from which stevia sugar is made, is native to Paraguay and Brazil, but is now grown worldwide. It's a small, bushy shrub that's part of the sunflower family. The sweetness we crave comes from the plant's leaves, which are packed with sweet-tasting compounds called steviol glycosides. The journey from leaf to sugar substitute commences with the harvesting of the stevia plant. The plants are usually harvested in the fall when the sweetness peaks. The leaves are plucked from the plant and then dried in the sun. This process allows the leaves to retain their sweetness while shedding excess moisture. Once the leaves are dried, they're steeped in hot water in a process similar to making tea. This hot water extraction is an age-old method used by the Guarani people of South America to extract the sweet compounds from the stevia leaves. The liquid is then filtered to remove any leafy residue, leaving behind a clear liquid that's incredibly sweet. But we're not done yet. This liquid undergoes a purification process to remove any bitterness and to isolate the sweetest compounds, the steviol glycosides. The purified liquid is then dried, often in a process similar to spray drying, to produce a concentrated sweet powder. This powder is what we often see in stores as stevia sugar. So, to summarize, the process of making sugar from stevia involves harvesting the stevia leaves, drying them, steeping them in hot water, filtering and purifying the liquid, and finally drying the liquid to produce a sweet powder. It's a process that's both fascinating and complex, transforming a humble leaf into a powerful sweetener that's changing the way we think about sugar. Whether you're a health enthusiast looking for a sugar substitute, or just someone who enjoys learning about the world, the process of making sugar from stevia is a testament to human ingenuity and our ongoing quest for healthier, more sustainable food options. So next time you stir a spoonful of stevia into your tea or sprinkle it over your morning oatmeal, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's taken from leaf to your kitchen.